Alright, so the last time I tried rice in Instapot, I was trying to use a regular rice recipe, and it made my stuff pretty sticky because you don't need as much water because you don't have as much evaporation. Now, I like it sticky. I like sticky rice, rice pudding, right? But a lot of people don't, and so I had a lot of, negative comments. So let me show you a better way to make rice in Instapot. So I've got my Instapot. I put a tablespoon of oil in here. I've got a cup and a half of rice, and then to that I have 2 cups of water. So about a cup and a quarter per cup of rice. Let me stir that up a smidge. We'll put the lid on. Doop. Lock it down. Press the rice button. 10 minutes and we'll just naturally let that cool off. We'll see what happens. Right. It is much less sticky. And had I pre-rinsed the rice grains off, it'd be even better. Okay. Individual grains. Okay. So I'm just going to mix this with some chicken that I cooked. And there's my supper. So thanks.